Hello, this is the last empties of the year. No, this is November. This November's empty. Don't relax, you guys. My excitement overtook me. I thought the year was at an end. No, this is 2019 November empties, and I'm just gonna grab and go. This one, grab and go. But you know what, let's just start the way we normally do. Cleansing products. Yes, what did we use up in the month of October? This is actually October's empty. Is this October's empty? This is November's empty. I don't know, I've not slept. So we used up in the month of November, we used up the Kadima conditioning co-wash. Lovely stuff. I mainly use this to detangle my hair before I shampooed, and then to pre-poo. For some reason, my pre-poo, I only did it for like 15 minutes, not that long. Next, we also used up the VO5. Remember, if you guys don't know, we're going to stop using VO5. I'm going to switch over to Suave because I like the consistency of Suave. Do I like this VO5? Yes, I like the VO5, but it is what it is. My daughters here loved it, and yada yada yada, whatever. Okay, so then the Sultanical Mango Deep Detangling Slip. Mango Deep Detangling Slip. This is so good. So we use this up. It adds very good slip. So if you guys are looking for a detangler that adds excellent slip, this works really well. Deep conditioner. So we finally used up the Lush brand Love Your Curls. This, I like it. The reason why I like it is because I put in my hair 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I don't have to put a shower cap, and I'm good to go. Remember, I'm a busy mama of 2, teen and twin, and their errands, they have so many activities. I don't have time. So this one, I don't have to even use my hot head. It works really good. Okay, guys? Thumbnail. I don't know. I can't turn like this. Sorry, I can't turn like this because I slept on my neck and I pulled my back while lifting weights. Blame other people. I thought I was young, but I'm no longer young. So that's why that happened. Okay, so you guys know our protein treatment. This one, we're bringing it back in 2020. I also actually, Shea Moisture had a huge sale for Black Friday, so I stocked up on this. If you couldn't find this on Shea Moisture, it's because I bought everything. Just kidding. But this is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Protein Power Treatment. Can we get any more longer in name? Shea Moisture, please help me. My mouth hurts when I say your products, please. Also, we love. I actually have 2 containers of this. Natural sensitive scalp. This is the solution. This is the aloe and avocado. This came in a PR package for me, and I did a small commercial for them and everything. If you guys haven't seen it floating around Facebook, yeah, if you've seen it floating around Facebook, comment below, let me know. Oh yeah, I saw your commercial. But thank you so much for the opportunity to work with Natural. It was a good product, and it was really good. And this, I hope they bring it in big bottles because this is actually really good. It has amazing slip. It softens your hair and it adds your hair. It kind of acts as if like this, so that's why I like it. Shampoo, I forgot to include the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shampoo. This is a moisturizing shampoo. You can get it at your local Walmart. This here, you can only get it online for now, but this here, you can get it on I got it for like $5.47, and it works really good. Moving along, I have the Kadima Curl Define Pudding. This is really good, especially if you're gonna do twists and other stuff like that. It keeps your twist intact, and it gives your twist a wet look but a moisturized look because of the agave nectar in extract in there. It's so good. I love this. I can't use it on my body though. I use the other stuff. Then I also have the Sealing Hair Butter. Now this one and this here, They are good. They work equally together. This one here, I don't feel I have to use a leave-in when I use it. This one here, I tend to have to use a leave-in when I use it. And this is the Wonder Curls Sealing Hair Butter. It is really good. It smells really nice. Oh gosh, look, I scraped shaggy out of that thing. I scraped it like no other. And then last of all, our gel. This gel is so good. It's like, it makes your hair feel so nice. It's not hard, it's not soft, it's just good. You know when a gel is so good, yeah, that is what this is about. So this is the Wig Out Curl Conditioning Gel. I can only find it on their website, which is so sad because I went online to look for it and I couldn't find it. But I had a huge bottle. This was 10 fluid ounces and it took us about 6 months to finish using it because we don't use gel like that and it smells divine. So that is all my empties, and I am so excited about my next empties, which will be in the year 2020. May the Lord keep us till then. If I don't say it before then, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we are doing Vlogmas on DN Vlogs Live. So if you've not yet subscribed to our family channel, subscribe to it, DN Vlogs Live, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.